In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the zoom feature on the Dawn theme on Shopify 2.0. If you're looking to enhance user experience or simply want to reduce distractions for your customers as they browse your product pages, disabling the zoom can be a really effective tweak. Let's walk through the steps together to make sure you're getting exactly what you need. To get started, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, find the My Store section. You'll notice this is your main hub for managing all things related to your online shop. This interface allows you to effortlessly navigate through different areas, customize your themes, and handle the overall operations of your store. The next thing you want to do is click on Customize. This will open up the theme editor of your Shopify store. The theme editor is an intuitive tool that Shopify provides to let you make visual changes to how your store looks and feels. Now we're going to locate the template that needs adjusting, so continue to the home page. This selection takes you to where all your basic shop settings and layouts are managed. When you're in the home page, look for the section labeled Products. Clicking on Products shifts your view to settings specifically related to items listed in your store. This is a crucial step because product pages are where customers spend most of their browsing time and where we'll make the necessary modifications. Once in the product settings, click on Default Product. By doing so, you'll see how individual product pages are laid out by default. This default template is what your customers see when they click on any product listed on your site, so it's important to have this exactly how you'd prefer. In the default product section, navigate to Product Information. This area reveals additional elements on the product pages, like descriptions and images, and allows you to adjust them according to your needs. The final step here is to locate and click on Zoom. Once in the zoom settings, you can alter how images are displayed when clicked on by customers. To disable the zoom function, simply toggle the zoom off. Disabling the zoom enhances the scrolling experience for users who may prefer a simple view without pop-up distractions. That's it! You've successfully disabled the zoom feature on the Dawn theme for Shopify 2.0. Remember, these small changes can make a significant impact on user experience, helping to differentiate your site in the competitive e-commerce space. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other Shopify tutorials for more tips and tricks.